Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your YNAB application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to download your YNAB application on your Android device. Firstly, open up your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in YNAB and make a search. You're going to see the YNAB application displayed in the search results. Simply tap on the Install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After the installation process is completed, tap on the Open button to launch the application. Open the application, and that is how you'll be able to download your YNAB application on your Android device quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.